So this is the main entrance. We're running the full syrup production today.
Impressive, Jake. Is the new bottling line operational yet?
We're drawing from the top silo right now. See the crystallization on the upper rim there?
Yes, I see it. The sensor readings look stable.
As you can see, the high purity levels are consistent across all 3 tanks.
And the valve tolerances?
They meet the Coca-Cola specifications perfectly.
This is where the magic happens, Jake. Every batch is tasted before it moves to the bottling line.
And how many people know the full recipe?
Keep an eye on the PSI here, Jake. I'm bringing the flow rate up slowly now.
Got it.
Should I log the adjustment at 40 PSI?
Purity levels are optimal, Jake.
Excellent. Proceed with the infusion.
The spin rate is holding steady at 500 RPMs.
The viscosity looks perfect, Maria. We are ready for bottling.
It's consistent with the control, smooth mouthfeel, good flavor retention.
Perfect. I have that recorded.
These are the preforms before they enter the blow molding machine.
How many can you produce in an hour?
We heat the preforms here, then high pressure air expands them instantly into the molds. And here is the finished product.
And here you can see the hot air molding the iconic shape perfectly.
Absolutely flawless. The precision is incredible.
The speed on this run is impressive. Are the rejection rates holding steady?
Yes, they are consistent with the projected metrics. Here you can see the high pressure water jets inverting the bottles. After the rinse cycle, they move directly into the sterilization chamber for the steam treatment. We recalibrated these nozzles yesterday and the pressure seems optimal now.
Good work, Maria. Everything looks steady.
We're seeing near perfect placement accuracy at maximum velocity.
That's incredibly efficient, Maria. The torque measured 15 Newton meters on this batch, right within the acceptable range.
Excellent, Maria. The consistency is exactly what we need for the audit. As you can see on the interface, the sensors detect any deviation immediately.
Right, that explains the high accuracy rate. The vision sensor is flagging the stress fractures right here. Yeah.
Yes, the calibration on arm 3 is definitely off again.
Impressive throughput, Maria. You've really optimized the flow here.
Thank you, Jake. It's running better than expected.
As you can see, the shrink wrap is perfectly aligned after the heat application.
That's very impressive. What's the throughput on this line?
We use the digital caliper to ensure precise alignment within the 2mm tolerance before logging the batch.
The date code on this one seems a bit faint.
I agree. Let's monitor the next few cycles closely.
This line produces 1,200 cans per minute.
Incredible. How often do you switch the labels?
The sheets are continuously rolled and then shaped. This line alone produces thousands of cans per minute for the Coca-Cola bottling plants.
As the cans move through this section, the high-speed trimming mechanism ensures a perfect seal every time.
And the shaping tolerance remains consistent at this speed? The throughput on this line is incredible.
Yes, the new automated system has really streamlined the washing phase.
The new line is exceeding all expectations, Jake. It's incredibly fast.
How are you maintaining quality control with this throughput?
The seals are holding perfectly within tolerance, Jake.
Excellent. I'll make a note of that.
It's holding perfectly at 120 PSI, Maria. The seals are secure.
Data logged. The batch passes the stress test. The articulated arms here handle the folding and insertion, significantly speeding up the throughput.
So the flat blanks are picked up here, scored, and then the robotic arm folds them into shape.
Ah, I see. Very efficient.
The heat seal on this batch is running a little tight, but it's within tolerance.
Okay, keep monitoring it.
See how the articulated arm optimizes the placement for stability.
Yes, the speed is remarkable. It really maximizes the pallet height.
$12.50.
Verified.
Okay, noted on the manifest. Versions. These units maintain a precise negative 80 degrees Celsius, crucial for enzyme stability.
And the fail-safe?
Easy now, set it down right there. Bay 3 is secured.
Very smooth operation, Maria.
The new automated system has really streamlined the loading process. We're hitting peak efficiency today.
It's impressive to see it in action.
As you can see from the Q3 projections, our daily capacity is up 20%. We optimized the workflow here.
That's excellent news. And the projections for Q4? Remember to always follow the lockout tagout procedure before servicing any machinery.
What about the new automated arms over there?
These high-pressure jets activate precisely between cycles.
Right.
Now,
How do you monitor the calibration from the control panel?
We need to expedite the shipment on pallet 4. Clear the area.
These are the preforms before they enter the blow molding machine.
How many can you produce in an hour?
As you can see, the water from the production line
Enters through these intake valves.
and through these intake valves. Exactly. This new green bottling line allows us to recycle 3 out of every 4 liters of water we use. It's a significant step forward.
The signature here seems inconsistent with the provided samples.
and this data point is clearly outside the acceptable deviation.
This dashboard lets us track every batch in real time and look at the efficiency metrics here.
That's excellent. The visibility is exactly what we needed. As you can see, the system instantly detected the ferrous card.
And the red light indicates a successful rejection.
Exactly. It ensures no contaminants proceed down the line.
How accurate are these new vision systems compared to the previous model?
They are 99.9% accurate, significantly reducing false positives. Ensure the pipette tip stays within the sterile field. Any breach requires regowning.
And the pressure gauge?
Must remain above 0.5.
We're running saturated steam at 40 psi to clear the sucrose buildup.
Looks good. The pressure differential is steady across the heat exchanger. See how the pressure gauge fluctuates right here? That indicates an issue with this nozzle.
I see. I'll make a note of the reading.
As you can see, the sorting is entirely automated, maximizing our throughput.
Impressive. What about the defect rate at this speed?
As you can see on the map, our distribution network covers all 50 states, ensuring timely delivery of Coca-Cola products.
Looks like the afternoon run is fully underway. Yes, the team did a great job getting these out on schedule.
Our hub and spoke model ensures that every machine is restocked bi-weekly, reducing fuel costs by 10%.
What about the rural areas in the Northwest region?
Are the initial readings consistent with the control group?
Yes, perfectly aligned. We should have the full spectrum analysis by 16.
This is the final planogram. The lighting really highlights the premium products.
It looks great. Did the supplier integrate the digital signage in time?
As you can see, the glass line requires significantly more energy than the plastic.
Right, the efficiency difference is clear on the Q3 projections.
This one here, the gold leaf design, was inspired by traditional motifs.
Yeah.
And the Starlight edition actually has a slight cooling sensation.
Quite remarkable.
So how do we ensure the hazelnut profile remains consistent across different production runs?
We utilize the Agilent system for
Hey, Jake. Yesterday, I would say.
Hey, it's just looking at third party.
So that brings us full circle from initial water treatment to the final packaged product ready for distribution right here.
It's truly impressive, Jake. Thank you. It's incredible to see the raw ingredients enter the facility.
And the speed of the bottling line is unmatched.
From here, it's straight onto the trucks and distributed across America.